What's up, guys? It's me, Architect, back again. For those of you who want to renovate your house or are planning to build one, come join me. Walking through the largest building materials exhibition that brings together top brands like Kohler, Rinnai, Astral, Arbisera, Inlight, Lamitak, Sunpower, and Bioksa. Only at Indo-Beltec Expo 2026 Part 1 at ICE BSD from July 8th to 12th. Entry is free, but don't forget to register at www.indobeltec.com. Register. So this place is called Archie Lab. This is where a lot of talks happen, mostly about architecture and design. Wow, this is really awesome. Astral is an aluminum frame, right? But they can make rounded installations like this using glass. Smooth, really smooth. The way it connects to the next panel is really smooth. It's not like a bump or anything. So with the aluminum, how thick of a glass can you use?
It was usually 5 before, the glass is typically 12.
15.
Laminate!
Laminate. Oh, so this is the aluminum color option, right? There are so many. There are monochrome and minimalist colors, and there are also solid colors like this. Green, mint green like this.
Even if it's up to 10,000 times, it will still be the same.
So this is an experiment. Yes, it can. Try it.
So it keeps increasing, right?
Yes, you can make a will. What about mosquitoes?
That's right. Soundproof. How can it close by itself?
Automatically.
Yeah,
Huh?
the door closes automatically. The door closes automatically. Cool. And it's also soundproof. Okay, guys, now we want to check out what products Arbisera has. If you look here, they're using silica board for the outdoor part, so it can be used outdoors and indoors too. Let's take a look. So these are some of the patterns they have, some with different lines, some are completely plain without lines. There's a really wide selection, and there are also many textures to choose from here. Really interesting. So Arbisera can also be applied to seating areas and can be used outdoors too. Really cool, awesome. So this one's called Akisa. The title is A Temple of Light. You can check it out. It's really cool. This is an installation from MMAR Studio. So it explains several materials, a combination of natural materials and timeless materials as well. Wow, this is really cool. The platform, this installation has a wavy shape, and they say it's inspired by the Tambi house from South Sulawesi. Wow, exciting. High score 7,500. Let's see how much we can get. But wait, check this out first.
On!
Second time, second time.
Wow! Wow!
Sure, sure. Guys, so now we're going to Inlight. Usually we can get free samples. Let's check it out. So guys, this is me. I don't know how it's going to look on camera, but in that scene, it looks really bright and nice. There are even a lot of different colors from white to warm. It's really cool. Trong, it's really bright, man. Bright, bright, bright. This one's for spotlights. Okay, so this one is 3000 Kelvin. This one is 6500 Kelvin. This is the 3000, same as before. This white is very bright. This one is also 6000. Very bright. Wait a moment. Here it is. This is 3000, 3000. Hold on. We're looking for a higher one, bro. Even 6000.
Oh, so wide.
So the color gets more yellow, right?
Warm, getting warmer. So the color, if you guys don't know, if you don't know the color, the lower the Kelvin number, the warmer it gets. The higher it goes, the whiter it gets. Do we get a souvenir? No?
Here, we only provide a mini catalog. Just a mini catalog.
Usually when we get that one, it comes with a light bulb.
Yes, that's right. But this year we're using a different concept. Oh, that's too bad. We're focusing on introducing the product.
Okay, that's fine. But we can see there are many lamp models and a complete range of colors. Okay, thank you. There are so many choices. But among the ones I clicked earlier, this one is the smoothest because when you press it, it goes back right away, while this one goes up and down. There are so many features. This one also has a socket. No? This is for the bell.
Thank you.
The third one, which ones?
Well, this one. This is the light rod.
Is this available?
Yes.
Wow, so if you want to turn it into a chandelier, you really can. You guys really have to come here because I feel like a clueless kid who doesn't know about all these toys. So you can experience a lot of interesting installations and materials that you can see directly. Now I want to play with water. You can see this is one of the sanitary brands that you can check out and you can apply it to your own home. Let's take a look and play with water. It's really cold. Their shower designs are really unique. Even the shape looks like it's well thought out, unique, and creative. Even the color combination is really nice, like natural stone. If we look at it from a distance, the sink's shape looks kind of irregular, but it's really nice and unique. So creative. And the color is white, so you can see the lines. Hey, this is also really cute. The shape is kind of organic. So if you want your bathroom to look vintage, like an old money style, you usually use colors like this. If it's black, it's elegant. If it's gold, maybe if it's reflective, it's for those who want something shiny. Same with silver. Now, this is perfect for those who like the old money style. There are also a lot of options and variations here. You can see them all. Now, this one isn't old money anymore. This one is really nice, kind of like copper, but it's called brush rose gold. And there are other options too. It's more metallic. It's called brush titanium. Really cool. This kind of color is pretty rare. Wow, that's really cool. Now, this is like a playground. There are so many things we can see. Wow, this is one of the ceiling mounted showers, right? This is really cool, super premium. Feels like taking a shower under a waterfall, right? Rocks. So cool. So this is a bathroom with several themes applied by Kohler. And I think this is every man's dream. So we're in the Bioksa. This is actually an exterior material, but it can also be used for interiors. And here it's used for the interior as well. So this is the panel thickness. It's per panel, that's how it works. There are many colors, several options. You can try them out. You can see them directly too. You can feel the texture because it's interesting, right? It's really smooth. It's suitable for outdoor use, just right. Well, this one,
Well, this one is less.
it's more of an illustration, the framework, if you're curious. There should be an L-shaped framework like this later. This is where it would be installed. Then it will be applied outdoors. Now, this texture would work really well in Indonesia because, the texture is kind of like wood. You can give it a try. Okay, guys, we're at Sunpower right now. At Sunpower, we can see a lot of porcelain tiles. There are ones with marble-like spots, some that look like stones. There are so many options here. You can just take a look for yourselves, and you can immediately explore the place because we can see this area here as well. There are so many options. Porcelain tiles can even be turned into wall art. It's perfect for your home. Wow, it's really cool. If you guys know, porcelain is actually made from clay. The process uses high temperatures. Now, the difference with granite is that granite is a natural stone. So, porcelain is really suitable for flooring. It makes the room feel cool.
Exhaust fan from Rinnai.
The design innovation is really unique. You can use it directly in your own home. Because of its shape, for example, when you turn on the exhaust, turn on one.
It will open.
The design is angled so it won't bump your head when you're installing it. It's really powerful. Then there's a light. You can turn the light on and off. If you turn it off, just hold it. See, it stops. It lets everything go in before it closes because maybe, right?
The smoke has to go in first.
Then it closes slowly. Whoa. Nice.
Now, as for this one,
They have a water heater system. As you can see, there are so many types. And in this area, there are also water heaters. It's a gas water heater. This one is smaller, so it's really convenient to put in your bathroom. Okay guys, now we're going to check out HPL products from Lamitak. Let's take a look. Let's see what they have. So this time, they're featuring the beautiful chaos curated concept. So there are a lot of bold color combinations. Let's take a look. There are so many materials that we can mix and match. Wow. Which color do you want? Blue works too. Blue and what else, for example? Maybe something a bit darker, like black as well? Maybe. Maybe wood that's even darker could work too, I think. Or maybe change it to something more natural, but a bit bolder by using colors that aren't so common. I've been walking around for a while, and honestly, one day just isn't enough. So I'll be waiting for you at the Indo-Indobet Expo Part 1 from July 8th to 12th at ICE BSD.